ever thought that why do you study? It's the scientific reason or there is a need? Actually, these questions always rises in a news or a student's mind, ever or either, sometime it arises. So bingo, you guessed it right. That this is a study motivation video. So in this video, I am going to give you 5 reasons why you should study. That's why it is a study motivation video, I hope. And in this pandemic, many have forgotten to study. And I just wanted to give you a news that if you wanted me to bring summary explanation on class 10th English chapters, that I can do for class 10th because many people lack in that subject. I have got sub DM, so just you can comment down एक publicly comment कर दो. Okay, rest are doing DM. So don't study because you need to. 5 reasons. Study because knowledge is power. Actually, without knowledge, you can't study books. You can't fill your form of education. You can't fill form of institution. You can't work at anywhere, even on your own shop. For that also, if you're buying a product, for that also you need to study its MRP or its rate or something or either. Second is study because no one can take it from you. No thief can come at night and take it from you. Third, study because you want to. Means study because you want to need no more. I hope this is clear. Okay. Because you're having an excitement of knowing what is human circulatory system. What is anal canal. Oh, sorry. What is canal? Okay. What is trachea? I'm just telling some facts. Fourth, study because it enhances you. It just enhances you, bro. Fifth, study because it grows you. If one is not studying, then he is not growing in his life. As likewise, you grow from your classes. Basically, many people till you are in 12th don't ask your age, they just ask what in which class are you? Oh, this is very tricking, but yeah, it's a fact. Just comment down out of these 5, which one has motivated you the most? For my side, if you are asking if I would be a student and I would just go with, I would, the most influencing one would be first and second. So I hope these may have motivated you and these may help you, as not as something as a YouTuber I'm saying, but yeah, these may I wanna to study people. So comment down how was the video, and for more motivation video I will be just bringing more in this pandemic. English we have done many courses, many videos are done. Yeah, it is a continuous full life we will be I will be posting, but motivation video are also necessary. So I hope you like the video. For more, subscribe to the channel and share the video for those students who are not enthusiasm or don't have enthusiasm in studies. They just pass their classes in such a way that you don't have to ever get up with that. Take care. Keep learning.